Menteri Rangba ke Jela Konrad ke Sangma ula ai jingkren ha ke stadium kabudan palat khatsan hajar ngut ki pajba hinin ke sngi ha ke jingple ya ke 6th Meghalaya Games aja apusan hawa ya jer multi sports complex stadium ka bah Jowai ha ke jingkren jong u shakinong yele kai usangma ula ong ki kam yele kai kim dai tang ban yo ya ki takma ki kham dai shaphang ka jingte ya ka jinglong ba ka jingpen roi ya ka jinglong renti ula pentip ba ka sarkar ka bu ha khmat e ya ki samla bat ka jingpen long ya ka ni ka lempung kan yarap ban kintiu bat ban pendon kam ya ki sap ki jongki ha ka ni ka sngi lawan bani shimbenta daki menteri sarkar bat kiwe ki riu rangba kunthop ya unong kit ktien sim she India na ka embassy jong ka Uzbekistan palat lai hajar sanspa ngot kinong yele kai na ki ar phukndai teli ki jat jingele kai ki lai shimbenta ha ki ar phulai teli ki jaka ha West Giant Hills kunthop ya ar teli ki jingele kai ha shillong bat halat kor.
And participating in such games is about discipline, is about hard work, it's about accepting defeat, learning from that defeat and improving your skills. It is about building character. It is about bringing our athletes to different parts of the state. I'm sure there are many of you who must have visited Jowai for the first time, visited Jowai Hills for the first time, and I'm sure there were many of you who had visited Turai last year for the first time.
For the International Supporter Cup. She has represented Meghalaya for the International Supporter Cup.
And yes, other countries are meeting the athletes.
Thank you. Arung.
Mau tidak ngam. Kau yang pergi rumah.
We have a group picture of Honorable Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Ministers, and request that we
Unong ilam kaliang persya jong ka